Welcome to Body Healthy Elements. The American Academy of Dermatology (AAD) states that 80 million men and women in the United States suffer from hereditary hair loss, alopecia. It may only affect the hair on the scalp or the entire body. Although hair loss is more common among older people, hair loss at a very young age can also occur. It is normal to lose 50 to 100 hairs every day. With about 100,000 hairs on the head, this tiny loss is not obvious. Usually, new hair will replace lost hair, but this does not always happen. Hair loss may develop gradually or occur suddenly after several years. Hair loss can be permanent or temporary. It is impossible to calculate the amount of hair loss on a given day. If you find a lot of hair in the drainpipe after washing your hair or combing it with a brush, you may lose more hair than usual. You may also notice thinning hair or baldness. You can become a victim of hair loss due to a variety of reasons, such as stress, hereditary factors, medical conditions, hair treatments, and even wrong hair care products that are not suitable for your hair type. If you find that you are losing more hair than usual, you should pay attention to it. In today's video, we will share 10 tips to regenerate your hair naturally. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. 10 tips to regenerate your hair naturally. Number 1. Onion juice. This may sound weird, but using onion juice is a sure way to boost hair growth and promote hair regrowth. Onions are rich in sulfur, which can nourish and regenerate hair follicles. A recent study showed that applying onion juice to the scalp can help hair regrow. The antibacterial and antifungal properties of onions help prevent and treat scalp infections. A healthier scalp means less hair loss. Onion juice is easy to make. Just mix 2 onions and filter the juice with cheesecloth to make sure there are no lumps of onions left. Give a good massage to your scalp with the onion juice in circular motions. Let it stand for an hour, then rinse it off with a mild shampoo to remove the pungent odor. Try it once a week for the best results. Number 2. Coconut milk. You may have heard that coconut oil is good for hair, but coconut milk is better. It is completely natural and rich in vitamins such as niacin and folic acid, which can improve blood circulation in the scalp. Coconut milk also contains vitamin E and fats, which can help resist damage to the hair while deeply conditioning the hair. When using, take some coconut milk and heat it until slightly warm. First, massage the milk into the scalp for about 15 minutes. After covering the scalp, work it through from the roots to the tips of the hair and leave it on for another 45 minutes. Then wash it off with regular shampoo. You can do it once a week. Number 3. Eggs. Eggs smell bad, but eggs can regenerate hair. Because they are rich in protein, minerals, and B-complex vitamins, they help inhibit hair loss and strengthen the root system. They also help stimulate new hair growth, increase hair volume and make it thicker. You don't have to crack an egg over your head for this. Just stir a few eggs and olive oil into a ball until the white and egg yolk are mixed together. Use a brush to apply the beaten eggs to the hair, making sure that the hair is completely covered by the mixture. Leave it for about 20 minutes, and then wash your hair with cool water. Don't use hot water. Hot water will boil the eggs, making it difficult to eliminate the smell. Number 4. Aloe. Aloe vera has many benefits for your skin and body. However, you may not know that aloe vera can also promote hair growth and prevent hair loss. It contains proteolytic enzymes, which can naturally stimulate hair growth due to its antifungal properties. It is very effective in preventing dandruff and also helps to suppress possible hair loss. It is also very easy to use. Just cut the leaves and pull out the president's side of the sticky colloid. Apply this gel directly to the scalp and hair. Let it stand for about an hour, then rinse. Apply 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Number 5. Amla. Indian gooseberry or Amla is a native tree species in India. It is known that it contains essential fatty acids, which can strengthen hair follicles and prevent them from breaking. It also contains effective antioxidants, which can improve blood circulation around the scalp and stimulate hair growth. You can use Amla in the form of oil powder or juice, but the easiest way is to use Amla oil that is available online. Make sure to use 100% pure goodness. Just warm up the oil and apply it to the hair twice a week. Number 6. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is a time-tested solution to all hair and scalp problems. Lemon juice is a rich source of vitamins C and B, antioxidants, and folic acid. It is a powerful natural remedy for hair growth. It is known that lemon juice can stimulate blood circulation in the scalp and promote hair regrowth. Just mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with 2 teaspoons of coconut or olive oil, and apply it evenly on your head. Wait for an hour, then wash your hair with a mild shampoo. Repeat once a week to maximize hair growth. Number 7. Apple cider vinegar. Apart from many other uses, apple cider vinegar is also beneficial for hair growth. It has the properties to help fight bacteria and maintain a balanced pH level to stimulate hair growth. It exfoliates your scalp gently and is fairly easy to use. Wash your hair thoroughly with shampoo, then mix apple cider vinegar with water. After washing your hair, use a cup of this ACV solution as the final rinse. Use this every time you wash your hair and see the magical effect. Number 8. Garlic. Raw garlic is rich in vitamin B6, C, manganese, and selenium, all of which promote healthy hair. Besides, it also has antibacterial and antifungal properties, which help kill bacteria and promote hair growth. A study found that participants who applied garlic gel to bald spots on their scalp had improved their hair regrowth. Just cut a clove of garlic in half and rub it directly on the scalp. This simple method is the easiest and only takes a few minutes. Keep in mind that raw garlic may have a burning effect, and excessive use can cause skin sensitivity and irritation. Apply it on a patch of skin to check for itching. It is always important to be careful of hair falling out. Number 9. Stress reduction. High stress will push a large number of hair follicles into a static phase within a few months. When you simply comb or wash your hair, the affected hair may suddenly fall out. Severe stress can also cause the body's immune system to attack hair follicles, leading to hair loss. You can reduce stress through meditation, deep breathing, and regular exercise. Establish routine procedures to reduce or eliminate factors that cause stress from your lifestyle. Less stress equals less hair loss. Number 10. Head massage. An unconventional but effective way to regenerate hair naturally is to provide a comfortable massage on the head. Any movement on the scalp is good because it helps stimulate the scalp. This increases the blood supply to the scalp, brings more oxygen and nutrients to the hair follicles, and promotes healthy hair growth. Some studies have shown that performing a scalp massage once a day for several weeks significantly increases the progress of the hair cycle. If your hair is fine, you can do it gently, very gently, just like handling delicate threads. If you have never had a hair massage or worry that you will break more hair, just use 2 fingers on the scalp or stroke your hair is enough. You can also use various oils in the massage, such as coconut oil, almond oil, and sesame oil. How do you think about this video? Comment your thoughts or ideas below. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want to know more about our channel, Body Healthy Elements, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive more videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.